Greetings, this is Kevin Jefferson, father of the Forex fam and followmytrades.com, here with a trade theory update for Bitcoin and gold for Monday, January 24th, 2022. So we're going to start with gold real quick. Gold has pulled back, is actually continuing to make newer highs. It's pulled back off of the last day or so off of a fresh high and is still continuing to show strength upwards. So I'm still eyeing the 1950-11 area for gold. But it's not moving as rapidly. As I mentioned before, it's kind of channeling, but my bias or my indication is that it will move to the upside. Looking at gold, gold has actually hit the second target that we set. I set the initial target of 38,464 and a secondary target of 33,743.83, which it blasted through in the last day. So it's gapped down to that point, and my expectation is that I wouldn't be surprised if it pulls back up to the 38,464 area before possibly falling out again and continuing short. But definitely I would be mindful if you're trying to look to get it into buy into Bitcoin at a better price or sell into Bitcoin or whatnot. You could get caught with price retracing back up to the 38,464. So just be mindful of that. But I definitely still see a bearish bias, which means I expect Bitcoin to continue falling at some point, but maybe over the next 2 days of the week until at least Wednesday, maybe Bitcoin could pull back a little bit. So just be mindful of that. Don't expect it to get too far. Definitely don't expect it to get above 40,000. But I would be mindful not to make too many moves as far as being a seller with too much risk. So that you don't get caught in a pullback or a retracement. And I wouldn't be a buyer either because you never know, price could continue to drop. So I'm grateful that these targets have been hit. I'm grateful that I've been able to share this information with you so that you can learn how to create cash flow in any market situation. The value of this information, as I mentioned previously, is actually increased now because the risk that would have been taken back in November. I think it was November 11, 2021, when I called the sell possibility on Bitcoin and showed the entry for weakness. The risk on that trade would have, let's say $1 per point or $1 per movement in price for Bitcoin. Actually, your total risk would have been about $4,185.28 off of the fresh highs, and your current gain on that running profit, including the new level that we hit, and notwithstanding the continued movement downward, would be $31,036.39. So for basically $4,200 worth of risk, you would have real time achieved, or currently would be achieving, over $31,000 in profits off of the calls that I share with you. At no charge. So if you want cash flow building, a DFY cash flow building system to where you can plug in and allow yourself to create income without having to spend inordinate amounts of time, add employees, or increase your overhead, give us a try at fmtrades.com and click the DFY option. If you want to learn and do it for yourself, go to fmtrades.com and click the DIY option. And so we've got you covered, and we hope you have a wonderful week and enjoy the day. And until next time, happy trading.